So the question has to be asked, is Ken Roczen going blue for 2023? He posted this video on his Instagram riding a Yamaha at Club MX. This comes after he rides a Yamaha YZ250 two-stroke. Obviously in the straight rhythm thing where he came in second. Well, the question is now, what team does he go to? Obviously, he's not returning to HRC for 2023. He raced his own Honda program for World Supercross. He now is riding Yamahas with the quote, with the caption, quote, exploring. I mean, obviously, he's still one of the biggest names in the sport. He might be past his prime racing, but he's still a competitor, still a title contender, still a race winner, or race winner contender, however you want to say it. And this is exciting. I mean, who knows? Because obviously there's some issues going on with his own sponsors. Being a Red Bull athlete, more than likely he's not going to switch to Monster Energy Kawasaki. He's not going to go Rockstar or Gas maybe, but that would be another issue with his affiliation with Fox instead of the Troy Lee. So the Club MX thing is if they have the money and it could make it work out, it would work out perfectly. They don't have a energy drink sponsor. The only problem would be the FXR and his Fox gear or whatever, but the question has to ask, where is he going in 2023? He is still one of the biggest names. He is a contender, and the question is, what team is he going to be riding for? His own program, Club MX maybe? Is he switching sponsors and going Monster Energy Kawasaki, going back to Suzuki, or is he going to, maybe he sticks with Red Bull, goes to Red Bull KTM, and they somehow have the funds to run 4 people? Who knows? It's an exciting, silly season thing, because who knows, and there's nothing else going on. So in the comments below, you tell me, where do you think he's going to end up? What do you think, what color bike, what team, whatever it is, where do you think he's going to be in 2023? Obviously, he's going to be racing. I doubt he's taking a year off. I don't see that. But in the comments below, you tell me, where you think he's going to go, what bike he's going to be on, what team it is. Whatever you want to say, leave in the comments below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, hit the little bell so you know when I'm posting more, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.